I'm Oliver Lowe, reporting from Sydney, Australia. And today I met with a developer who imported a package into his project that could be replaced with just one line of JavaScript.
Frontend developer John Script hit the jackpot today when faced with writing some Windows-specific code for the new project.
Yeah, I couldn't believe my luck.
What John did was, instead of reading documentation, he directly typed the question that popped into his head into Google. From there, he stumbled upon the official Node Package Manager website and the Is Windows package. With over 15 million downloads every single week, John knew there was little risk in introducing it as a dependency to the project.
Yeah, it's so useful to see how many GitHub stars or weekly downloads a package has. I mean, how can something so popular be bad, right?
After discovering the package, John's job was trivial. Add the dependency, write some code, and submit it for review. John says the great thing about using dependencies instead of writing the code yourself is that it significantly reduces the amount of code needed to be reviewed by others. Instead, you just add another line to packagelock.json.
By now you're probably wondering the same thing that we did when we started this investigation, which is what are in these packages? Well, the answer is a little bit surprising. Contrary to popular belief, people think that what is in these packages is source code, which introduces liability and more complexity. But the truth is that it actually contains magic dust put in there by Silicon Valley developers.
At the end of the day, John is relieved. The project is run using the Agile methodology, and that means an arbitrary deadline every 2 weeks. With such a tight schedule, John has little choice but to pull in a dependency instead of spending a few extra hours actually reading, writing, and debugging code, the job he was employed for in the first place.
I guess if I were to try and untangle all those dependencies, then that wouldn't fit into a sprint. That means that the task would never get approved. So I guess that means I just don't have to worry about it.
Oliver Lowe, reporting for SourceBeat News, Sydney, Australia.